Hey viewers! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best electric shower scrubbers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is OXO Good Grips Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber. The OXO Good Grips Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber is ideal for those people who prefer traditional cleaning and don't want to use anything mechanical or electrical in order to make their bathroom spark. It's easy to operate and provides the most powerful cleaning, even in the corners that are hard to reach, but mostly for the tub and the tiles. Its handle can be extended from 26 to 42 inches, which means this scrubber reaches all the tub's areas without its user having to make an effort. As far as hygiene goes, the OXO Good Grips Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber covers everything, seeing it cleans all the surfaces in the bathroom, the shower included. Besides, it's sturdy enough to stand the test of the time, not to mention its head can be replaced according to needs. Aside from all this, it features replaceable head pivots, meaning it can clean at many different angles. The OXO Good Grips Extendable Tub and Tile Scrubber has a lightweight steel pole featuring a very soft non-slip grip that remains uncompromised even in the wettest conditions. Its head can be cleaned separately, either in the washing machine or by hand, only with water and detergent. Number 2. Our second best pick is Drill Brush Attachment Bathroom Surfaces Tub. When it comes to the best power bathtub scrubbers, the Hiware Power Scrubber Brush Cleaning Kit makes the list, even if it doesn't come with a cordless drill to which its brushes can be attached. However, these brushes can be used with almost any tool of this kind. What's also very important to know about them is that they clean the tub and even the tiles in the bathroom not only without any effort, but also in the most efficient manner. The brushes in the Hiware Power Scrubber Brush Cleaning Kit are available in 3 different sizes and shapes that are suitable for cleaning the bathroom fixtures, the large areas in this room and the spots that can't be easily reached, like corners and upholstery. They have not so hard and yet not too soft bristles that don't leave scratches behind. Besides, they're very easy to change and get released from the drill just by the push of a button. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Drill Brush Attachment Set Power Scrubber Brush Cleaning Kit. As its name says, the Drill Brush All-Purpose Power Scrubber Cleaning Kit is a kit that incorporates what's needed for cleaning the entire bathroom, tiles and bathtub included. However, it doesn't come with a drill, yet the brushes included in it can be used with most cordless drill machines people have at home. These brushes have different shapes and 3 sizes, not to mention they're hard enough to scrub any surface, yet still soft to not leave scratches behind. The brushes in the Drill Brush All-Purpose Power Scrubber Cleaning Kit are also easy to change. They're made from nylon and ideal for scrubbing porcelain surfaces, shower door tracks, fiberglass shower enclosures, acrylic bathtubs, standard tubs, and baseboards. Besides, they can also be used to clean tiles. They fit right into the tightest corners and have a 2-in-1 brush that's suitable for all the fixtures in the bathroom. The original brush is ideal for corners, whereas the 4 inches, 10 centimeters, one for flat surfaces. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.